Hey there, learner! In this video, we'll show you how to track your progress on Khan Academy and know exactly how much you've learned. Let's talk about course and unit mastery goals. But what's a mastery goal? You can think of mastery goals as your roadmap to becoming a confident and proficient learner. You can find mastery goals by selecting a class and scrolling down to the My Mastery Goals section. This is where you will find the mastery goals which your teacher has set for you. Mastery goals are of two types: course mastery and unit mastery goals. Let's understand them better. First up is course mastery goal. A course mastery goal on Khan Academy is just like your math or science textbook. It has the coursework for the entire year, like a year-long progress tracker assigned to you by your teacher. Under the course mastery section, this percentage for each course shows how much of the entire course you've mastered. You can also see the due date for completing the goal that has been assigned to you. And that's not it. At the end of the course, there's a course challenge, a special challenge covering all the skills from the course. Be sure to give this a shot at the end of the year, as it can help you master all the skills that you have gained proficiency in during the year. It's a great way for you to revise the entire year's syllabus and prove you're a true master. Next, we have unit mastery goals. Units are like chapters in your course textbook. Khan Academy has unit mastery goals that your teacher assigns to you based on the chapters which are being taught in school. Just like the course mastery goals, you can also see your progress on unit mastery goals here. You will see the purple bar grow as you gain mastery points from that unit. And you can also see the due date for completing this goal. Next, let's understand what are the different mastery levels on Khan Academy and how you can level up to the top. This will help you smash your course and unit mastery goals. You level up a skill starting from attempted to familiar to proficient and finally mastered. To start making progress on a skill, just click on the Start button under the Practice section of the unit. If you've only answered fewer than 70% of the questions correctly, you land at the attempted level. If you correctly answer 70% to 99% of the questions, you will now move on to the next level, familiar. And if you correctly answer 100% of questions, you make it to the proficient level. This is your goal. You must aim to reach the proficient level in all the skills assigned to you. That's not all. Your final destination is the legendary mastered level. But do you know what exactly you should do to start your journey towards mastery? Here are some tips for you. Firstly, never give up. When you start practicing an exercise, you might get stuck, but use the available hints and don't be afraid to retry. You can also take help from related videos and practice the same skills over and over. After all, practice makes you proficient. Secondly, remember that unit tests play a crucial role in achieving mastery. So once you reach the proficient level in all the skills of a unit, attempt the unit test and answer all questions correctly, and you will land at the mastered level. You can also keep an eye out for mastery challenges or course challenges to reach the mastered level. Mastery isn't easy, and that's the point. It's designed to make sure you truly understand the lesson. So tackle those challenges, track your progress, and watch those points stack up. You got this. Happy learning!